Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay under 18. To begin, you will need a compatible Apple device such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad, running the latest software update. Most importantly, individuals under 18 must have a debit or credit card from a participating financial institution, authorized by a parent or legal guardian. Parental guidance ensures responsible use and adherence to age-appropriate financial practices. This setup allows for secure and convenient transactions. Adding your card to Apple Pay is a straightforward process when you have parental approval. First, open the Wallet app on your device and tap the small plus sign in the upper right corner to begin adding a new card. You can then use your device's camera to scan the card details or simply enter them manually. Remember, your bank will likely require your parent or guardian's verification for individuals under 18 to ensure the card is used responsibly. This step secures the account. Using Apple Pay for purchases is incredibly simple and secure at millions of locations. When you are ready to pay, just look for the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo at checkout. Double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch, then authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Always confirm the transaction amount on the terminal before you complete your payment. This ensures accuracy and security with every purchase. Managing your Apple Pay account and keeping it secure are important habits to develop. Regularly check your transaction history within the Wallet app to monitor your spending and ensure everything looks correct. Always keep your Apple ID password and device passcode private, sharing them with no one. If your device is ever lost or stolen, use the Find My app immediately to suspend Apple Pay, protecting your funds. Open communication with your parents about spending limits is also very helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.